is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your data from your Android phone over to your iPhone using the official application. So what we want to do first on our iPhone is go to this, and we need to factory reset it. And I'll show you why in a second. So if we go all the way down and we go to General, so here's General, select this, then go all the way down under here, and there's an option to transfer or reset. We can just go to reset right here. So just reset your iPhone, and then we want to go over to our Android phone, and we have to get the official application to transfer everything. So just under here, let's go to the Google Play Store, then type in move it to iOS. So this is what it looks like, move it to iOS. All right, so let's open this up, then go through this menu where it says continue, agree to the terms, and then once we get to this page, you might have to accept some more permissions, but we're going to continue with Wi-Fi, so you can decide how you want to hook it up. If you have a little USB cable, the newer iPhones will be USB-C to USB-C, which will be nice, but I still use the lightning charger, so I'm going to use Wi-Fi, continue with Wi-Fi, and then just put it in this little mode right here. Now we have to go over to our iPhone, and we have to set it up. So after you reset it, we're going to be brought to the screen where we can choose the transfer option. So here's my iPhone right here, and I'm just going to log in with this. So let me type in my password, and then we'll be brought to the screen eventually. Transfer your apps and data. So we have the option under here for Android. So let's just choose Android. Go to continue. Now it should pop something up on the screen like a little number. So we can put this down here. Let's go to my Android phone. And it says connect devices. And this should pop up. And then here's my iPhone SE on here. So let's just choose this. Let's go to continue, since there is a code. And type in the code 037510. All right, and it says it's connecting, and make sure you have Wi-Fi turned on, and then we can do messages, contacts, call history. I'm just going to do I guess messages and the contacts, because that's probably important. I don't need any of the pictures. Let's go to continue, and now it is going to transfer everything. So I don't have to do anything from here on out, and it'll give me the estimated amount of time. So the only thing that's annoying is I got to transfer everything when the phone is reset. So you do have the option to pretty much transfer everything through your computer if you want to get all the photos and stuff, but this is just probably the easiest way to do it if your phone is a brand new phone or if you just reset it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.